Click on the original car. The first step is to delete all the Bluetooth records of the original car. Turn the knob to connect from the phone and press OK. Remember the Bluetooth name of the original car. Click the Bluetooth icon in the upper right corner. Click on Search. Click on MB Bluetooth. Pressing the original car knob is confirmed. Turn the knob to the media and press to confirm. Rotate the knob to select Bluetooth audio. Rotate the knob to Options to confirm. Rotate the knob to Bluetooth audio device to confirm. Turn the knob to COM BTD and press OK. Click the screen with your finger to return to the Android interface. Play the song to test the sound. There's a sound now.